Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. On this occasion, I will try to explain about English vowel sounds. But before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Fadila Pakdai, and I'm student in State Islamic Religion Institute of Parepare. And what I will explain is the assignment from campus. Pronunciation subject. There are 17 different vowel sounds in English, but in this video, we will learn about 8 English vowel sounds. The first is sound of e. The e is one of most common sounds in English. To make it, open your mouth very slightly. Relax your lips, make a short sound with your voice. For example, occur, 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 an apple, an apple, an apple, bird, 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 pigeon, pigeon, pigeon. And second is sound of a. To make it, make your loud jaw slightly, and the sound is short, like miss, 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 jam, 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 and. The third sound of This vowel is formed by keeping the jaw slightly open, like we will make a circle. The sound is short. Woman, woman, woman. Book, book, book. Look, look, look. The fourth sound of E. You can make this sound with open your lips into a big smile. The sound is long. E, like he, key, amoeba. And the fifth is sounds of To make it, keep it the mouth slightly open and lips are tense, and push forward into a small circle. The sound is long, like do, lose, choose. And the sixth sound of ew. This sound is combination of the sounds e and u. To make it, begin with the lips, spread into a big smile, then push them forward into a circle. Ew. The sound is short. You. Music. Cute. And the seventh is sound of a. Keep the mouth slightly open. The sound is short. A, like up. Blood. Most people often say it with blood, but the truth is blood. Done, like when we say have done, not have done. Done. And our last English vowel sounds in this video is sound of A. A. Lower your jaw slightly. The lips are tense and spread outward in half smile. Any. Just half smile. Any. Again. Friend. So friends, that is a little of the English vowel sounds material that I can bring in this video. Hopefully, this video can be useful and you can try it by yourself so that your pronunciation is more better. See you again!